I'm genuinely curious of what this is.
So am I.
I want to see what's in it.
You don't say confidential on it, come on.
Oh yeah, this is my thing here, hang on boy.
What's in the fucking bag?
What's in the fucking bag? If you want to see your family again.
Surrender now and they will not be harmed.
Andy, am I opening this now or?
Oh yeah, but
get it fucking open.
Naked in there.
Oh, is there?
Is there?
Is it?
You?
Can I get one?
Photocopy.
Sign my
Early access.
my October edition.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Big writing.
Okay, Bonzo,
So he can read.
Return back to your team's camp at the tyre base.
It's the holy
Take on it. Right, read it loud, let's embarrass you.
Oh fucking hell.
Yeah, go on, go.
Locate bundles of drugs throughout the site and retrieve back to the team's camp at tyre base.
Right, do you know what tyre base is?
That way.
That first one there.
That one.
Side, okay?
Yep.
The objectives, we've got silver tape round them, okay? They're probably going to be located in and around other bases, just so you know.
If you find ones with red tape or something else, they might be real, just scream to us.
They might be enemies.
I'll check them, don't worry. Right, locate drugs. Take drugs, one per person. We can raid the DAA camps.
If you find some, give me a shout and I'll come to make sure that they're properly dealt with.
Take them off, sorry.
Game on. Right.
Go that way, get Alamo, that's the big one.
Andy, do I have to keep this on me or can I leave it at spawn?
No, he's not.
Alright, sweet.
It's your choice. Their base is on this side.
Right then, you're a VIP person, I need to protect you.
Oh no, not yet, not yet.
From those haters.
Protect me from the Hooters, boys.
So when's your line of sniper rifles coming out?
I can't, it's over. It's 20 FPS over.
Oh, shame.
See you again.
Yeah, alright, how you doing?
Not running grenades.
Yeah?
I didn't expect that one.
Oh, you got some wacky backy?
Yes.
Yes, take it to the tyre base.
Can I verify it?
You go and cover him to the tyre base. Oh, you go on, lad. You got eyes? You got eyes?
Yeah, he's on the right side, bottom bar.
Left side, left side. Contact my 12.
Good shot.
Shit.
Go, ready.
Got one.
Good shooting, mate, good shooting. Make sure you don't get medicked, keep eyes on him. There's a guy with an LMG up there.
And he's got from the right.
Go. Just in front, in cover, mate. Still trying to get that foot.
Good shooting, mate.
One, so.
I'll clear you
What
up.
I can see, so there's a tree there, yeah?
Right.
The guy behind that one. To the left of the guy behind that one. Far back on the left one.
Front.
Yo. I think we've got a guy on that left side. Yeah, mate, I'll clear relook into the next bit of cover. Do you reckon I can get to that?
No.
Yeah, you're alright on the right side, aren't you?
Right, mate. Not seeing much shots on that left side. I'm going to try and make a push for that fucking next bit of cover.
You've got one in front, at least on the left hand side, and don't know if he's up.
I think you're going to go now, Sam.
Got him.
Connor, down range, up the centre.
My 12, my 12.
Keep checking for drugs. All the marshals are ready for party.
Woo!
Let me hear say do.
Whoa! Right, boys, should be clear to push up.
Good talking. Don't forget, you're going to be quite close to the base of this fob. So secure a compound here, be very tactical.
Guy on my left.
Go. Take a flank on the left side. Lock in.
I'm going to head on the other side in the middle.
Hit!
Play. Go play.
Get your ass down here, boy. With your bandage.
Grabbing it. Fucking hell, that one pinged right off me tooth.
You too?
Yeah, it's still there.
Fucking hell, I should be putting medic here.
Thanks, mate. Right, got people, my 12. Straight down there. There was someone to the left, I think I got him. I'm feeling very exposed to this tyre.
Concept front.
Do you want me to smoke it so you can push up? Copy that.
Connor, what's that depression on your right leg?
Taking fire, my 12.
Right side, Connor. Good team play that, Yellis.
Hello, sweetheart.
Hello, mate. Careful, we're taking fire from 12 and they can shoot through that.
I'm a bit low on ammo.
Do you need a mag?
I need to load really, but...
Do you want me to smoke it
one
so
in
you can
front,
load?
No. One in front just come down. I'll load in a second.
On that right side, I think, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I was taking some shots straight front now.
Yeah, you're 12. You're
Yeah.
12. I'm not sure whereabouts from.
Okay. See, I'll have to load at the fob, I can't load here.
We're running at 2.8s.
Yeah.
Shit.
I've got my speed loader on me, I'm just not in a position where I can actually physically do it.
Right.
Hello, boys.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, mate, I've got a wee problem.
Go on.
I'm bingo last mag.
Oh shit,
No, I've got ammo, I can load. I just
Where
need
is
fucking
it?
cover while I do it.
Where's your speed loader?
Next to me.
Alright.
I can try and divert the fire like left side.
That's alright. If I can... Just because I'm on my last hit now.
Shit, yeah.
12 o'clock there, moving to the 11. Left hand side, just please.
Yo, I got drugs. Guys, I've got drugs.
Right.
Pass that back, we can give you some covering fire so you can make a run for it.
Well, I need to get the last one and run back when it's all going to cross.
Alright, I'm gonna make him.
Your left, mate, in the 3 line.
Copy that. It's about there-ish. I'm gonna make a push to this cover on the left and try and get some more ground. I'm still up, yeah, but not for long. There's two guys on my left.
Oh, see, Connor.
Hello. Two targets, my left, close left. Close left, literally just in front of me that way. Two of them. I'm keeping their heads down. Still two targets to my left, just in front of me here. Throwing smoke, left side.
Fire!
Fire! Fire! See where the smoke is, boys? They're behind that smoke, on that left side. Push it up, left side. They're on that left.
Nice, we'll step it out.
Hit.